Today I'm going to explain you how to get and grow new little aloe vera plants in a planting bag. If you subscribe our YouTube channel using below red button, you can continuously watch our latest gardening tutorials. In first step, you can identify little plants around the mother plant. Next, you have to remove soil around the plant, because it is compulsory to get visibility of aloe vera root. This step should be processed carefully because root area of the little aloe vera plant may be damaged. Therefore around soil layers should be removed carefully. In this video you can see that removed aloe vera plants top and bottom view, and you can get an idea about how to remove it carefully. Because in this video it shows, there are not any root damages for removed little aloe vera plant. In third step you can fill the accepted soil into suitable planting bag. It is better to use cow dung and compost mixed soil for this operation, because cow dung has natural and organic fertilizer and not harmful to little plant. Therefore it's suitable for little aloe vera farming instead synthetic chemical-based fertilizer. According to my opinion, artificial NPK fertilizer always generate harmful effects for little aloe vera cultivation. Another thing is aloe vera production always taken for herbal products. So it's more suitable if we use natural fertilizer for cultivation. In this step it is needed to well arrange soil by hand. It means it is compulsory to use compressed soil by hand. Soil compressing process can be done just like this. In this step, you can make a hole on top middle area of filled soil of the planting bag. It is done to mount a little aloe vera plant in soil layers. After completion of the soil hole arrangement, then you can pot that little aloe vera plant in prepared planting bag just like this video shown. After inserting the root area of little aloe vera plant, you can slightly compress the around soil of the whole area. But this slight compressing process also should be processed carefully without damaging to root and other parts of the aloe vera plant. Now our basic potting process is completed. But we have to process a little final step. In this final step it is compulsory to spray fresh water. It means it is not suitable for spraying chlorinated water or other mineral or other impurities-based water, because it may be harmful to aloe vera plant to damaging root area. Therefore fresh water should be sprayed. After completion of this plantation process, it is compulsory to keep this plant in dry zone. And it is compulsory to give more and more sunlight to get better growth. You can add cow dung again after 14 days.